What's up, everybody? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I have some exciting news for all my traders out there. Today, ROE officially dropped the Pass Your Challenge service. For years and years, everybody has been investing in these prop firms, buying 100K accounts, 200K accounts, and they're not making any money back. Sometimes you get your prop firm passed, but you don't have the right tool or the EA to make passive income from it. Also, sometimes these prop firms will give you the live account, and then once you got it, they'll say you're copy trading, and they'll kind of bullshit you from your payout. When I started the ROE opportunity, I wanted to make people passive income on large accounts, and I knew that I had to partner with a prop firm that's going to allow me to do that. Okay, so we teamed up with Nova Prop Firm Passing to make sure that you guys can get your prop firms passed in one phase. One of the only prop firms that allow you to do that. Also, Nova is one of the only prop firms that allow us to use the Neo EA to make people passive income. For years and years and years, I watched you guys invest in numerous prop firms, buy 10K accounts, 50K accounts, 100K accounts, 200K accounts, and not be able to get a withdrawal from them. This is special, guys, because ROE has done something that nobody has ever done before. We finally have the perfect EA to make passive income and the perfect prop firm so that you guys can take advantage of the EA to its maximum potential and leverage the 100K, 200K accounts that we're going to pass for you guys so that you guys can make passive income truly the way I envisioned it for all my traders out there. We've already passed over 50 people on the Nova Prop Firm, and we already have many people making passive income on their live accounts, which I'm going to show you guys right here. Okay, so right here you guys can see that he's already made almost $2,000 on a live account using our Neo bot. Okay, so you guys can easily get access to our Neo bot and get your Pass Your Challenge service by going to www.richardpimps.net and getting your either 100K pass or your 200K pass. Once you have that pass, just hook up your Neo bot, hook up the set files that we have for you in the Discord, and start making your passive income just like one of our customers is already doing, guys. So that's it, guys. The best prop firm passing service, the best EA service in the industry. Tap in.